STEX Exchange Review. App: the pros, the cons. If you're exploring crypto trading, the STEX Exchange app promises a smooth experience, but is it really the right platform for you? One of the biggest pros is accessibility. Most people get this wrong assuming crypto trading apps are too complex for beginners. STEX has a clean, mobile-friendly interface that makes buying, selling, and monitoring your assets straightforward. You can track dozens of cryptocurrencies in real time and access your portfolio at any moment. The app also supports multiple payment options and trading pairs. This flexibility allows traders to diversify strategies and respond quickly to market trends. Additionally, there are charts, technical indicators, and basic analytics built in, helping you make more informed decisions without needing a separate platform. However, there are cons. Some users report occasional delays in trade execution, which can be frustrating during volatile markets. Customer support is limited and primarily handled through email, which isn't ideal if you need immediate assistance. Also, the app doesn't offer advanced trading features that professional traders might expect, such as futures or margin trading. In conclusion, the STEX Exchange app is a solid choice for casual traders or those looking to manage a crypto portfolio on the go. The surprising truth is that while it offers accessibility and basic trading tools, high-frequency traders or those needing sophisticated features may find it limiting. For new or intermediate crypto users, STEX provides convenience, real-time monitoring, and a simple way to engage with multiple cryptocurrencies. But if you're aiming for advanced trading strategies, be prepared to supplement the app with other tools or platforms.